Welcome back to the Excel Beginner Tutorial series. In this lesson, we will learn how to create, save, and open workbooks. A workbook in Excel is the file where all your data and worksheets are stored. To create a new workbook, open Excel and choose Blank Workbook. This gives you a fresh, empty spreadsheet to work with. If you are already working in Excel and want to open a new workbook, click on File, and then New. It will also open a blank workbook. To save your workbook, go to the File tab and click Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Type a name for your workbook in the file name box. Click Save, and your workbook is now stored on your computer. If you want to save quickly after making changes, click the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar. To open an existing workbook, go to the File tab and click Open. You can browse your computer for the workbook and then click the file to open it. On the home screen, you can also select the file from Recent File List. Remember, always save your work regularly to avoid losing data. In the next lesson, we will explore worksheets, rows, columns, and cells.